The Suzuki Hayabusa has long been a symbol of speed, power, and engineering excellence. First introduced in 1999, the Hayabusa quickly earned its place among the greats by breaking the 300 km/h barrier and redefining what a sport bike could be. Fast forward to 2025, and Suzuki has refined this iconic machine even further. The 2025 Suzuki Hayabusa isn't just about raw speed, it's about intelligent performance, advanced technology, and unmatched road presence. Design and aesthetics. The 2025 Hayabusa carries forward its instantly recognizable silhouette, but with sharper lines and aerodynamic refinements that nod to its high-speed legacy. The bodywork has been subtly updated, maintaining the muscular and flowing design language while integrating new air ducts and wind-cutting contours. The LED lighting system has been enhanced, giving the bike a more aggressive front fascia and sleeker rear end. Available in a fresh lineup of color schemes, the Hayabusa now looks as fast as it rides, even when parked. Engine and performance. At the heart of the 2025 Suzuki Hayabusa is its legendary 1,340 cubic centimeters inline-4 engine. While this powerplant hasn't changed drastically in displacement, it has been refined for smoother delivery, better fuel efficiency, and lower emissions. With an output of around 190 horsepower and 150 Nm of torque, the Hayabusa offers a thrilling ride that surges from low revs and pulls hard through the mid-range. The engine's tuning is optimized for real-world performance, meaning blistering acceleration on highways and superb control in twisty mountain passes. Ride-by-wire and electronics. One of the standout features of the 2025 model is its advanced electronics suite. Suzuki's Intelligent Ride System, SIRIS, brings a comprehensive range of rider aids, including multiple riding modes, traction control, power mode selection, engine brake control, and cruise control. These systems are managed via a refined ride-by-wire throttle system, giving riders precise control over every aspect of performance. Whether you're a seasoned rider looking to tame the beast or a sport touring enthusiast craving comfort and stability, the Hayabusa adapts to your style with the push of a button. Chassis, handling, and braking. Under the skin, the 2025 Hayabusa retains its twin-spar aluminum frame, known for its balance of rigidity and lightness. The suspension setup includes fully adjustable KYB forks up front and a monoshock rear, providing a plush ride with plenty of feedback. The 2025 model also features an improved Bridgestone Batlax Hypersport S22 tire setup, delivering superior grip and responsiveness. Braking is handled by top-tier Brembo Stylema calipers on dual front discs, offering precise, fade-free stopping power. Add in the standard cornering ABS, and the Hayabusa provides a stable, confident ride in all conditions. Comfort and ergonomics. Despite its superbike performance, the Hayabusa is surprisingly comfortable. The 2025 model continues to cater to long-distance riders with a well-padded seat, a relatively relaxed riding position, and improved heat management. The cockpit features a mix of analog and digital instrumentation, including a full-color TFT screen for key ride data and customization. Whether you're carving through canyons or cruising on the freeway, the Hayabusa ensures you stay comfortable and in command. Connectivity and features. In tune with modern expectations, the 2025 Hayabusa now supports smartphone connectivity through Suzuki's MySpin app. Riders can sync their phones to access navigation, music, contacts, and more, all displayed conveniently on the TFT screen. Additional touches like a USB charging port, updated switchgear, and backlit controls enhance the everyday usability of this performance machine. The Hayabusa's legacy in 2025. The 2025 Suzuki Hayabusa isn't just an evolution. It's a reaffirmation of the name's legendary status. It remains one of the few motorcycles that effortlessly blends hyperbike power with grand touring comfort and cutting-edge tech. While rivals focus on track-oriented specs or stripped-down minimalism, the Hayabusa continues to offer an all-encompassing experience: speed, control, comfort, and presence. Final thoughts. For those who crave a bike that feels just as capable on an open highway as it does in a high-speed sprint, the 2025 Suzuki Hayabusa delivers in spades. It's not just a motorcycle, it's a statement. In a world of fleeting trends and constant updates, the Hayabusa stands tall as a true icon of performance and design. Whether you're a longtime fan or a newcomer to the name, one ride is all it takes to understand why the Hayabusa remains one of the most revered machines on two wheels.